Summer Camp Island. Yeah, I guess it only airs on Teletoon. I guess it's only made by Cartoon Network. That kind of doesn't make sense, but I get it. Now, this is my review. First, let's talk about the witches. Number 1, yeah, the weirdest one. She's a good character, but yeah, that's all I have to say about her. There's really not anything. Number 2, I forgot her name. So, and I'm pretty sure she's the one that makes the monsters cute little wings. Number 3, I forgot her name too, and I don't know what she does. Next, Oscar, the main character. Yeah, I guess he's good. So, yeah, he's the best, but I guess his parents are just, yeah, they're just weird. I know we're supposed to be talking about him, but his parents, when his mom just goes like, "You're fun, you're very fun," and she talks about some other crap, and then, yeah, I got the point, he's fun. Next, Hedgehog. Well, when you first see her, she's a hedgehog. Well, yeah. Well, no, that's... I don't think other people will get it. But, this hedgehog, yeah, at first you think she's a boy. Then you find out, oh, that she's wearing a skirt. Yeah, and everything. But how does she keep her hat balanced there for that long? I mean, like in the first one, those aliens tip her hat. Thing. The comedy. Sweet, innocent comedy, I think. It's not really the type of show that you would seem as a ha ha ha, LMAO, and crap. No. It's comedy like stuff like when Susie hears the other witch girl sing math thing. And it was British and also funniest joke I've heard throughout the season, although I've only seen 11 episodes. You're rubbish at maths. Yeah, saying S at the end of maths. Yeah, or whatever. I don't care. It's hard to do it. But rubbish. I mean, like some Americans would say it, but it's actually kind of Australian too. You speak some British or whatever. I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot one, maybe 2 characters. Pajamas. Oops. Back to normal. Also, back to the video. So, yeah, the most lovable character. But I think there's a little too much pajamas, like the pajama party. You never see Hedgehog's pajamas, but guess whose pajamas you do see besides Oscar's? Susie's. Yeah. Okay. Yes. I get it. It's Lucy's, yeah. Yeah. But why not Hedgehog's? But then it's Susie's? I don't get it. Maybe you don't too. But I don't. think. But guess how I feel. Oh, goody, fan art. Oh wait, that looks nothing at the show. Sorry whoever made this. This is creepy. Same with this one. Although I don't know how a drawing can be blurry. It's probably just my computer. Ah! Oh my god. The fan art that we just saw. Okay. So, second we see I know this is going backwards. But second we see this. And then first we see this. And this is the real show. I don't like it. I like the show. Very funny and good. Like I said earlier, not that funny. But this is the real animations, and we just saw those. Like, also, I hate when this happens. I'm not making a 2-minute, actually 20-second video about this. Every time you search up a show, you're gonna find a Pokemon card. I mean it. You're going to find a Pokemon card. You're going to find one, no matter what. Hey, listen, your brother ranting. Okay, guys, that's all you have it for today. Watch my next episode, like the video, and subscribe. Join my Discord, link in the description. You don't have to watch my next video if you hate my channel, and most likely you do, or you don't know. And I bet this video will only get like 5 views in 3 years. That actually happens. I might give everybody an iPhone. I can't afford one.